Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door handle on a Chevy Silverado. First, collect your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Before you begin, always ensure your workspace is well lit and organized. Having your replacement handle ready will streamline the installation process. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and efficient repair, saving you time and frustration later on. Let's make sure we have everything perfectly in place. Next, we will focus on removing the interior door panel. Begin by gently prying off the small triangular plastic trim from the mirror mount with your trim removal tool. Then, locate and remove the 2 Phillips head screws behind the door grab handle, along with 1 more screw inside the armrest pocket. With the screws out, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry around the entire perimeter of the door panel, releasing all the hidden retaining clips. Finally, lift the entire panel upward, then disconnect any electrical connectors and the door cable before setting it aside. Now, let's access and remove the old door handle. Carefully peel back the plastic moisture barrier from the door to gain full visibility of the inner workings. You will then see the 3 10mm bolts that secure the exterior door handle. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these bolts. After that, disconnect the 2 small door rods or cables that attach to the handle mechanism. They usually unclip with a simple push or pull. Finally, gently slide the entire old handle assembly out from the door's exterior. To finish, install your new door handle and reassemble the door. Carefully slide the new handle into its designated position from the exterior, making sure it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Reconnect the 2 door rods or cables to the new handle mechanism, ensuring they click securely into place. Then, fasten the 3 10mm bolts, tightening them down to secure the new handle firmly. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the main door cable before carefully clipping the door panel back on. Finally, test the new handle and all window functions for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.